Brother, being now advanced to the second degree of Freemasonry, in the name of the brethren who now surround you, I congratulate you on your preferment. It is at once an evidence of your proficiency in the preceding degree, and that you have thus far satisfactorily discharged the duties required of you. Freemasonry, my brother, is progressive in its nature, and the further you advance, the greater become the duties which unite you to your brethren. The duties required of you are such as every man may perform who is properly impressed with their importance. Founded upon the truths of the sacred scriptures, they carry with them the evidence of their value, and your own judgment must convince you that a strict adherence to the principles of the order will enhance your character and reputation. In your intercourse with your brethren, cultivate brotherly love, relief, and truth, those noble principles of our profession, without which Freemasonry would be only as sounding brass or a tinkling cymbal. Cultivate literature and the fine arts, not only as a personal accomplishment, but as a means refined in social entertainment. They tend to polish and adorn the mind, and to advance mankind in the scale of improvement. With a mind enriched with useful knowledge, man is never alone. He has within himself means of enjoyment far preferable to all the pleasures which the haunts of dissipation can afford. Study the principles inculcated in the degree you have just received. They are to regulate your conduct and to prepare you for further advancement. And finally, my brother, keep sacred and inviolable the mysteries of the order which have been committed to your charge, and steadily persevere in the practice of every virtue.